Hey, from Brook community, it's Terrence Hill, the real estate consultant. I wanted to reach out to you today specifically because we have a home that's going to set a sales price precedence for your community. The home is closing at the end of this month. I cannot disclose the sales price as of yet, but I do want you to know that your home is going to go up in value. We would love to sit down with you for a free, no cost, no commitment, no obligation consultation to discuss your home's value and how we may be able to help you if you're considering potentially selling within the next 6 to 12 months. But even if you're not selling, if you're looking to potentially refinance, you just want to get ahead of knowing what the appraised value may or may not come in around, we'll be more than willing to sit down and discuss that with you, again, at no cost and no obligation. I think it's imperative for all homeowners to know the home's value. And I think as a real estate professional, it's my duty to let you know what's going on in your community, specifically because I'm in the Cordova area, consistently being able to sell homes, and also when something like this happens, setting a new precedence for a community. I want the people in the community to know before everybody else. Thank you for your time. Again, Terrence Hill, real estate consultant.